A newspaper in Poland, Czechoslovakia, Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary. What's in it for the young people in those countries who are just now making up their minds about the world? Communist propaganda is in it. One-way news. Distortions of the truth. Shouldn't they hear both sides? Shouldn't they hear the truth? The main way for many of these young people to hear the truth is through Radio Free Europe. Without Radio Free Europe, their major source of news could be communist propaganda, could be bad news for you. Shouldn't they hear both sides? Radio Free Europe needs your support.